Today we're harvesting garlic. We're coming into the last week of June, the first few weeks of July, but I'm looking at our garlic here. It's starting to fall over. It's a soft neck variety, and I don't want it to rot at the soil level and become difficult to harvest. So now that I'm seeing some browning and yellowing leaves, it's time to get this garlic out of the ground. So we planted this garlic back in November. You fall plant garlic cloves, which grow into garlic bulbs, and harvest them at the very end of spring, beginning of summer. I may be harvesting a little early this season, but I'm ready, and we're ready to enjoy these as a family. So we're using a pitchfork, and we're going to loosen the soil around the garlic so we can very gently pull the cloves out of the soil. If you don't do this, it's so easy to accidentally pull too hard, break the neck, break the greens at the neck, and lose your clove deep in the soil. Not such a big deal if you're watching what you do, but it'll keep it from storing as long if the top comes off before curing. Loosen the soil from about 4 inches, 3 to 4 inches away from where you expect the cloves to be. Nothing more disappointing than loosening the soil and realizing you stuck your head of garlic with the tine of your fork. Gently pull and work your way through the bed. It's critical to remember not to throw your garlic on the pile. Taking the extra time to gently place your harvested garlic is going to be a reward in the end. What happens if you're aggressive or knock the garlic around is it bruises, just like an apple or a tomato would. If it bruises, then it's susceptible to quick rotting and damaging your harvest. Oh shoot. So this is what happens when you either pull too hard or the stem leaves. See how many of these are yellow already? The stem leaves have started to rot away from the bulb. So I'm gonna have to dig and find the bulb. Interesting, it's a double bulb. See how the cloves are starting to separate and the paper husk is not enclosing all the bulbs? This is a head that we're going to use for cooking right away. We'll let it dry out for a couple of days and cure, but this will be one we use soon. It's not great for storage any longer.